December the boy was born. Zalelwe monje mdansani nqahuni my home. Zidla netime awutshatile endlini mali khona bevula ivekile igrills awusaphila she was so old. As time goes kwanzinyana damn sajika izinto. Itime alayeka isipani libamba ifish-drop eSpeedo. Who moved to Cape Town I was 3 years sizama impilo. Bomi buya sigubungela ndizozibalisa kimfihlo. 204 ndaqala isigela doing grade 1. Omeza bathi ngizawudropa before grade 5. Isikolo ndingasifuni society ijaja yayingathi ndisebenzisa uCapitec iklasi ndisibhanka. To be honest, I've never been proud of myself. My past experiences dense ndafunda mistakes. Ndaphusha skela ndafumana certificates. If I could told you where I am now, chana mungane faith.